box is huge. Well, it's raining outside, but I can at least show you guys what this is. Let's open up this box. Ooh, what a heavy box. All right. We are unboxing this Wookit. Woosit? It's Woosit or Wookit? Outdoor pizza oven. Beautiful pizza spatula. Comes with the instructions, and this is what it looks like right here. Oh, wow. This is nice. Look at this. Be very careful when you start taking things out. We have this. This was kind of stuck at the bottom. So we're gonna slide it all out. Make sure it's clear in there. So I thought this didn't come with legs. It's actually like this. How convenient is that? And it goes out. This whole time I thought there weren't legs. I don't have a screwdriver near me, but pretend this is screwed on tightly. Easy to close it. Got the leg stands. Same with this right here. And then we have that pressure gauge right there.